Hey guys, I got some packs here. I got a mega pack that guarantees an 83 plus overall player guaranteed, an 83 plus times 10, an 82 plus times 10. That was the second in the season progress, which is a bit weird if you ask me, because I thought they got better. Let me know in the comments if that's different. Yes, this is 24. I know it's 2020 size, but it'll do, right guys? Got an 83 plus times 20 in case you're wondering there, I know. But yeah, let's just rip these open. The mega pack here. 83 plus guarantee. What are we gonna get? So Nick Hope, is that? Yeah? Oh, that's not very good. Okay, who else do we have in here then? Let's see. Ericsson, Christensen. Yeah, there's not very good pack here, guys. Got a lot of duplicates. Ian Pope, who was our 83 plus, who has to discard them thirdly. Right now we do the 82 plus times 10, I'm going to say. Worst to best. America, goalkeeper. Spirit, am I saying it right? Washington? Yeah. We got Kingsbury. Alright, yeah, I think. Carpenter, Galton, Andrich. No one really good here, guys. No one's very good. There's Kingsbury. So I know I did. Nice. Excuse me. 83 plus times 10 did the 83 plus times 20. Wish we saw a special card, yo. Team of the week at least day, please, yo. Turkish, sentiment. Charoloco, what's it? It's very hard, it's walkout, I think. Yeah, it's pretty good. Oh, I thought it was walkout. Because I'm talking about C20 size. Does he have a special card? Because I'm not searched up and I really want to know, because I want to buy it. If he does. And he already has them, so there you go. Alright, the big pack, the 83 plus times 20. Mbappe, Haaland, Bombati. Go. Not very good clock. Swedish. Centre back, Arsenal. So that is Ericsson or whatever her name is. No, it's not. That's not. If that's all that's better, I'm going to be assuming. Literally assuming. Alright, we got some media. Oh, we just got 8 swords and 8 threes. We've got duplicates, loads of those, not even 8 size. Disappointing. Discarding all of them. Oh, wish I got better. Wish I got better. Okay, like and subscribe please guys. Thanks for watching.